Through the previous video, you have acquired knowledge on the prerequisites to tenses and have also developed an understanding of them. The distinct feature of this video is that we are going to understand tenses through their functions and not by rules. Once we understand the functions, we would then learn the rules. Tenses are of three types: present, past, and the future. The present tense again is divided into four types: simple present, present continuous, also called as progressive tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. The past tense again consists of four types: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. While the present and the past tenses consist of four types, the future tense consists of three types: simple future, future continuous, and future perfect. Now let us understand the present tense. Simple present tense. Tom Cruise is a popular actor. Now imagine you are interviewing him and you wonder how he maintains such a good physique. You are the interviewer and you ask, "How do you maintain such a good physique? What is your workout plan?" And Tom Cruise replies, "I focus on weight training. I go to the gym regularly and I don't miss on treadmill running and fencing." Your next question is, "What diet do you follow?" And Tom replies, "I consume vegetables, fruits, salads, and grilled foods. I take protein and other supplements necessary for my body and also keep a check on carbs. Very importantly, I drink plenty of water to keep myself hydrated." Pay attention to the words maintain, focus, go, miss, consume, take, keep, and drink. In this context, the actions of Tom Cruise happens on a regular basis. The actions are never fully complete. They are bound to recur or happen repeatedly. Therefore, the tense used is simple present. You can also click on this link below and watch Shilpa Shetty's interview in which she has used simple present tense. Present continuous tense. Just imagine you are at home and you could be doing anything like preparing for exams. You get a call from a friend. Your mom picks up the call. What would your mom say? She's preparing for exams? And what could be the other probable responses? She's bathing. She's having lunch. Notice the verbs used here: is preparing, is bathing, and is having. In this context, the speaker is present during the time of the action and is observing the actions of the doer. The doer of the action and the speaker could be the same. For example, I am reading a storybook, or different, as in the example sentences used above. Therefore, the tense used is present continuous or present progressive. Let us read these examples. This is a conversation between a teacher and a student. The teacher asks, "Have you done your homework?" The student replies, "Yes, I have," or "No, I haven't." Raj says, "I have posted my aunt's wedding invitation. Did it reach you?" And Adi replies, "No, it hasn't reached yet." Here, the action of posting the letter is done, but not reaching. In present perfect tense, the actual purpose of the action is usually not realized. Example, I have begun working on the project. It means the project work has just begun or started. In these contexts, the actions have started and have completed in part or full in the near past, but the outcomes of actions are still continued in the present. This is present perfect tense. Let us understand present perfect continuous tense. Nikhil says, "What are you thinking about?" Ram replies, "It has been raining since morning. I don't know when it would stop. I need to go to the bank today." Anika says, "I see Radha often at your house." And Adya replies, "Yes, she has been coming to my house quite often these days. She has become my sister's good friend." Bharat says, "Amit, your team has not yet finished the assignment." And Charan replies, "Yes, I agree that they have been working on the assignment for too long now. It might take us another week to finish it." If you have noticed the verbs used here, has been raining, has been coming, and have been working, in these contexts, the actions have started and they are still continuing. They are likely to stop after a period of time. Present perfect continuous tense is a combination of present continuous and present perfect tenses.